Hi guys, welcome back to CC channel. Today we are going to be opening some things that I got at this really cool store. Okay, so first I got this clicker. It is my first clicker, so I'm super excited. Okay, and now guys, so I've never seen this before. It's like this specs putty, but it's like this magnetic fidget putty. So let's open that. Oh my god, okay. It's kind of hard. Okay, I got it. It's like putty, but without the mess. Okay. Okay. I'm super excited. Wait. Okay, I just like need to put this thing in it. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But it doesn't like stick. Oh my gosh, I just lost a piece. It's fine. I don't really get it, but whatever. Now ASMR for all the squishies / fidgets. I'm gonna speed things up just because. Okay, so first, I have this like axolotl. It's really satisfying. Stretches too. Next, I have this butter squishy. Nice, satisfying, it's satisfying. It's like a solid thing squishy, so yeah. Next, I have this Neato ice cube. It's super satisfying. And I have this jellyfish Neato. It's super satisfying too. And I just have this like plain squishy. I took everything out of it. As you can see, there's like holes, so yeah. My clicker.